All right, welcome to the tutorial on creating a branded video. This tool is the Swiss Army knife of your platform, your Swiss video army knife of the platform to create videos of whatever you want. A lot of users love this video tool because it allows them to create videos of expert tip videos, their expert tip video of the week, videos of creating an about us, about me video, turning their their boring written FAQs into FAQ videos, videos of the product or service in action. The sky is the limit. And there's two ways to produce branded video content. First is by simply clicking on creating a branded video. Or you can upload a video that you've shot offline utilizing your smartphone or your computer with a webcam. You recorded a video and you want to upload a video, you can do it either way. But I'm going to click on create a branded video for you. You pop in here and you name that video what you want, right? You're going to click record a video, and then it's going to ask you to open up your camera to record that video. Easy breezy, all done for you. Super simple. To create a video of whatever you want, no video editing needed. How amazing is that? Next video you're going to want to watch is you're going to go back to the homepage here. You're going to click on create a story video. Let's watch a tutorial video on how to create a story video. I'll see you in that tutorial video. Thanks for watching.